2 years ago, Utah ramped up COVID testing as quickly as possible. And now, starting April 1st, many testing sites run by the Utah Department of Health will shut down permanently.
Testing's still an important tool, but as new specialist Jed Bull shows us, big changes are coming to the way now it's managed. Jed?
Yeah, exactly, Deanie. 2 months ago, as the Omicron variant was spreading rapidly through our communities, there was demand for COVID testing was so high that people had to wait in their cars for hours. But that demand dropped off rapidly, and now the Utah Department of Health is transitioning into a long-term testing response that the state calls the steady state response.
It's time to transition to a more regular way of dealing with COVID-19.
COVID-19 is not gone yet. Since Friday, 255 people tested positive in Utah out of more than 6,800 people tested. But the Utah Department of Health will begin managing the virus more like the seasonal flu. Many state-sponsored testing sites will close Thursday, and some will transition to private for-profit vendors.
Demand is down, so we have quite a few sites where they maybe get 25 people in a day, and it's just not the best bang for our buck at this time.
The state will also no longer cover the cost for testing or offer travel testing after Thursday.
Yeah, it'll be a big transition, and probably the biggest change is no testing, no travel testing.
If you think you need to get tested, before you visit a testing site, visit the state's COVID testing website.
Go to coronavirus.utah.gov and click on the tab that says, "Where can I get tested?"
If you plan to visit or work with someone who's vulnerable, or you've been sick and want to confirm you are negative, get tested.
If you get sick and have symptoms, meaning a fever, sore throat, runny nose, not feeling well, and you can stay home from work, please stay home.
The state plans to talk more about this new phase of our COVID response on Wednesday. And also remember, you can still order free at-home tests from the federal government. We put a link to that on our website, ksltv.com.